Hello friends, I am Aisha Jamal. Today I am going to introduce a very important book, The Law of Attraction, written by Mitesh Khatri and Indu Khatri. Friends, like attracts like means energy with the same frequency will attract each other. Scientists discovered that even though there is a single energy in the universe, energy always vibrates at different frequencies. When these frequencies match, they attract each other. Scientists made magical inventions based on this law of attraction. Here are three important inventions of our age which would have not been possible without the discovery of like attracts like. Telephone. If you dial in the frequency of your friend's number, it will connect to the same frequency. Television. When you switch to a particular channel, the TV will attract the same channel frequency. Radio. If you tune into a radio frequency of 94.3 MHz, then it will attract 94.3 MHz frequency perfectly, nothing else. Two types of frequencies. There are two types of frequencies around us all the time, positive and negative frequencies. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create, said by Buddha. If you are vibrating at a positive frequency, you will attract more positive energy. But if you vibrate at a negative frequency, you will also attract negative energy to yourself. We use the law of attraction unconsciously as we always vibrate at a certain frequency, positive or negative, and constantly attract the same energy to ourselves in the form of people and situations. Here are multiple examples of people and situations with the same frequency attracting each other. In school, you may have observed how the naughty children sit together while the studious team up because people with like energy will always attract each other. Second example, people who speak the same language will always try and stay together in keeping with the community feeling. Our community is nothing but a group of like-minded individuals attracting each other. Example third, sometimes when we think of a friend and he calls us, it is because both were probably thinking about each other at the same time and thus attracted each other at the same frequency. I can go on and on to give you examples as there is unlimited proof around you to demonstrate that like attracts like. All of life works as per this simple law of attraction, like attracts like. Now, given a choice, what would you like to attract? Positive people and situations or negative people and situations? You may think of this as a silly question. After all, everyone wants to attract positive people and situations. While this is true, the problem is that most people don't know how to control their own energy frequency. Many times people vibrate at a negative frequency and attract negative people and situations. They then tag the situation as bad luck. But the fact is that our attractions depend on our own frequency. What if you could learn how to control your frequency? You would be able to attract more positive energy, lots of good luck, lots of positive people and situations, and avoid negative energy and thus also avoid what is called bad luck.